Aimmax Group from Wuhan, the center location of the China, was established in the year 2005. It is the source base for the connection between the manufacturer and the worldwide medical and protective market. With 15 years of industry experience, Aimmax factory is located in Xi'an, Hebei, which buildings area is more than 110,000 square meters. The factory total investment is around RMB 280 million. There are more than 6,000 square meters of a 100,000 level clean workshop, over 30 production lines, more than 600 sets production equipments, and about 600 employees. Aimmax Group has an extensive product line of non-woven disposable products, surgical gauze dressing products, as well as other made-to-order products for medical use and food industry, as well as protective market. The production lines along the processing are from original material non-woven to surgical gauze dressing or non-woven finished production. Aimmax Group has been certified with ISO 13485 by TÜV-SÜD, FDA, CE, Level 1 and Level 2 certificates approved by SGS. Aimmax Group products have been exported to all over the world, such as Europe, North American, Middle East, Asia and so on. Quality is life. Aimmax Group has focused on medical consumables since 2005, always supports customers' business with good quality and professional service to win-win.